Hey guys, it's Brendan from F1 Motorsports. Today we are installing a FabSpeed turbo back exhaust on this Porsche 718. We have never done a job on a 718, so this is new and interesting for us. But I also want to apologize for not having videos out. We just have had a lot of jobs that haven't really been video worthy in my opinion. So here's a car now we can make a video on, and something really cool. There's not much installations on these cars. It's kind of a newer car still. But I'm going to show you how to install a turbo back on this car. So you don't have to remove any of the metal support braces, just the back underbody shield so you can get to the V-band on the turbo. And once you do that, the whole pipe kind of just runs across the edge of the frame so you can get to everything pretty easy. This is definitely an easier exhaust to install surprisingly, but everything's just right here and really easy to get to compared to other cars. So it turns out you did have to remove the arms of the support brace, and what I'm going to start with doing is removing the bolts from the flange on each side. I'm going to take off the back section first, and then it'll be easier to route out all these back pipes after the front or the rear of the exhaust is off. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing sounds like with this stock exhaust. It's not going to be a cold start. We already started this to move it inside. So it's going to be a warm start with some revs to basically rev up. So when removing the rear exhaust, you have the flange bolts on each side, obviously, and then you have these big hangers which go on each muffler on each side, and it just goes around this brace. So after that is removed, it'll just come out. And for the rear, all I'm going to do is undo the V-band clamp, and then a couple support braces, and the rear should also come out. So like I said, very simple, easy exhaust for a Porsche. So with this exhaust, since there's not a huge bulky muffler, I'm going to start actually in the back and making way forward, or technically back of the car forward. So I'm going to start with the V-band and the downpipe, and then make my way forward since there's no muffler and everything's going to be pretty easy to align and tighten. So the only reason I'm doing that is because it's a very small exhaust system. Usually you would want to make your way rear to the front. do it for today's video on the exhaust installation. The carbon overlays on the tips look really nice with this diffuser, and with FabSpeed fitment, it just fits always amazing, no issues. We did have to source out a couple of bolts because the system was used, so that took a little bit of time, but besides that, it fit really well. So I'm going to show you guys what this car sounds like now with this new exhaust, and it should sound a lot different. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when we upload videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.